Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Thursday, the 14th of May. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. All right, let's have a look at what's happened in yesterday's market. The biggest news and the biggest market mover was the Kiwi dollar, as we saw the Reserve Bank of New Zealand basically send the Kiwi dollar tumbling after they surprised the market by doubling the size of their quantitative easing program to 60 billion new Kiwi dollars. The rate itself remained unchanged at 0.25%. We talked about this yesterday, whether they would try and affect the economy via their QE program or via a reduction in the rates. They went through the QE program, and consequently Kiwi dollar dropped around about 80 plus pips at the news release, with the Kiwi US dollar currently now trading at 60 cents. The only other bit of data to come out yesterday was from the UK. We saw the prelim GDP number come in at -2%. That was better than the minus 2.6%, which was forecasted. Having said that, the pound did drop against the US dollar only slightly, and it is now approaching a possible support level. So, which basically leads me to our chart of the day. Now, before I just show you the chart, yesterday we had our Euro AUD long trade hit our target. So for those of you who took that one, well done, that's hit target. Let's move along, and the chart this morning is the cable, the GBPUSD on a daily timescale. Now, I mentioned just before that we are approaching a possible support level. There it is. I've marked that out for us down here. What I also note as well is that we have that top level as such, in essence creating somewhat of a channel, and we have seen the activity in between those two levels. So what I'm naturally looking for is I would like to see price action reversal occur in that hot zone which I've marked out, and should that happen, then essentially I am quite happy to take a long trade and aim towards the other side of that channel. Alright, so there you have it, our chart of the day this morning, GBP USD daily timescale. Alright, what's on the agenda for the session, which is about to kick off? Big day for the Aussie dollar. We find out our official employment change numbers and our unemployment rate figures. The forecast is at 8.3%. Let's see what it actually does come in at, and let's see how it affects our Aussie dollar today. That's at 11:30. Then at midday from New Zealand, they release their annual budget. At 8:30 this evening from the UK, Bank of England Governor Bailey is due to speak, and then finally just after midnight at 12:30 from Canada, Bank of Canada Governor Pollock is due to speak also. That wraps up the session, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.